Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can block ads on Temu. So if you wish to add blocks on Temu, you have to follow the steps. So basically the ads on Temu are just a promotional thing. So it's just sponsoring some sort of Temu applications. And when you open up a login into your Temu account, it's going to show you this sort of interface, right? So when you are on the home page, go and press the profile icon and then go to messages. So here you can see there are this option that is promotions, and these are basically that has been sent to you by the Temu, and it is not actually an ad. However, if you wish to block the following notifications or promotions or ad, then what you'll have to do is you can first of all exit out of your Temu application and then open up your settings. And when you open up your settings, then what you can do is you need to go to network and internet, and when you are on the network and internet page here, you need to go to private DNS, and under it you need to go ahead and select private DNS, and over here you need to type in dns.adguard.com, and then go ahead and make changes by tapping on the save button, and this should be able to fix the issue. However, you're still unable to fix it, then you can do another method, that is exit out of your settings application and go ahead and open up your Google Chrome, and tap the three dot icon next to it. And when you're on this page, you need to go to the settings button located right at the bottom. As you do that, you'll need to scroll down a bit, and then you'll need to go ahead and enable. This must be located right over here. And when you've done that, you'll not be able to receive any sort of pop-ups or ad on your Temu application. So that's how you can block ads on Temu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.